Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you're not new, what's up? Nice to see you again. Thanks for coming back every week. We do this every week. If you like me, then subscribe. And if you don't, then, you know, it was nice. It was nice knowing you. Today, I want to do something simple for a back to school makeup look because I basically want to combine like what I wish I would do if I really took the time in the morning to do something cute for school, but also what I actually did in the morning concerning makeup when I had to get ready for school. And so I put it together, and that's basically what this is. So I hope you enjoy it. My face is looking like, I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like the video. As always, please let me know what kind of videos you guys would want to see from me in the comment section down below. Ugh, I look a hot mess. Okay, let's just get started. I feel like I'm so basic because sometimes, honestly, we just run out of ideas. And it's not like I ran out of ideas, but I feel like I'm running out of supplies for the ideas I need. Is that even English? Yeah, did I say that in the right order? I don't know. Anyway, basically what I feel like I need to construct this of is doing eyebrows, because those are essential. You can't leave the house, like, honestly, without anything else, you can't leave the house without eyebrows. Unless the only exception is if they're like threaded or waxed or razored. Basically when they're shaped. But if they're like mine and they're like kind of growing out every which way, then nope. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Lashes. Usually I just do mascara, but I'm trying to get more into like falsies right now. And you always gotta have your lips glossed up. Okay, so I don't think I need to explain everything that I'm using because I have a couple other videos where I'm using literally the exact same products. Like I can need new products, and when I get them I'll show you, but until then these are the exact same products. So this is just the Rimmel Brow kit. Rimmel Brow kit. I'm running out, so I feel like now it takes me like fairly a quick time. I'm really struggling with my words today. I feel like nowadays it doesn't take me long to do my brows because I've been doing it for so long. I do the exact same thing every time. Make sure you wash your face. I already washed my face, but like don't touch anything until you wash your face in the morning, okay? Don't just roll out of bed and try to go, okay? That's not good for your skin. Also, I'm breaking out, and I think it's either a stress hive or a pimple, or I don't know, but it's just it's not a fun time. It's not a good look for me. Okay, also I'm trying to get I'm trying to get in the habit of, oh god, not like, see, okay, I'm one of those girls who I can't take 2 to 3 hours out of my day every day to get all glammed up just to leave the house and like go to the store. Like, if you do that, good for you, but no offense, I just don't got the tea time. I just don't got it, okay? I just don't. I really don't. And like, I can make the time, but like, what? You could also spend it on something else. And I don't know, I feel like lately people just be getting upset with me that I don't like always look snapped like Instagram and ready to go. You know what I'm saying? If you really knew what you had to do to get like baked every day just to step out the house, no, like what? But I can understand being present. That's what I get for talking so much. Hold up. I can understand being like presentable. I don't like to have do stuff. I think I've explained this about myself before. I don't like to have do stuff. I like to either do it or don't do it at all. So I'm trying to get into the habit of, like, if I need to go out somewhere, and not like out like on a date, but just like I said, like, you just go out to the store or wherever real quick to look presentable. Cause I don't feel like I don't look presentable. I just feel like the thing is, I just gotten to the point where it's just like, I just don't care. And not like, oh, I don't care about how I look. I just don't care what people have to say. because it's like, do y'all pay my bills? No. First of all, I don't got bills to pay yet. So Also because I don't know about you guys and your schedule for high school, for college, or whatever, but like I said, I wasn't the type of person to wake up 2 hours before class to get ready. So if I woke up and left myself with like, let's say 15, 20 minutes to get ready, sometimes less, this is literally what I would do. So just keep that in mind. Try to leave yourself enough time so that if something happens, you can still get it done. Because no one wants to go out the house looking crazy. Okay? I mean, unless you're feeling bold. Your opinion is not paying for my bills. It's not paying for the gas in my car. Hello. Not paying for the shoes on my feet, the food in my tummy, or lack thereof. It's really not. So, I don't know. I used to really, really care so much about that, which would hinder me from doing stuff or going places. But like after I really realized that it doesn't matter, girl, it's like setting a dove free from the cage. They just fly away, like you just feel free. So it's probably like a terrible way to apply it. Also, don't do what I do. Do as I say, not what I do. And then I'll just like dab that in. It really doesn't do much, but it makes me feel like I'm doing something. So as long as psychologically I feel better, it's always worth it. Dabbing a teeny bit under my eye, whatever. And ow! That hurt. I'm going to apply highlighter on my cheeks and my nose. There we go. This is something to do really quickly so you can just look like you tried a little bit but not too hard. Because I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm not waking up at 5 a.m. before class just to do this. I'm really trying to tell y'all. But literally, this is what I used to do before school. Also, as some of you guys know, I graduated this May, so I'm not going back to school. But some of you guys are, and good luck to you. You're gonna have a great year. I'm already sending my prayers for y'all, so it's gonna be okay. Oh wow, that's a lot. Okay, we can stop there, and we can stop, but we're still going. We can, alright. Alrighty, when are we gonna stop? Alright, I guess we're done. And so, but you still need to take into consideration like the situation. So I guess, for example, like if you're going to a professional environment or something, or your job, one interview, yeah, you need to put some effort into it. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm not against it. I just don't like when people expect so much from me all the time to be like bad 24/7, because it's like, this is real life. I'm sorry, sis. Well, I'm not doing it. Oh, you know what bugs me a little bit? I'm sure you want to know. And if you don't, I'm gonna tell you. So I like the law of attraction, manifesting the stuff you want into existence, like concept. But what I don't like is when some people think that that's all there is to it. But I don't like when people forget about putting in the work thereafter, because you can't just say, I want a cookie. Why did I just use that example? No, we're gonna go with it. I want a cookie. That's a bad example. Let me use another example. Okay, I'm gonna use me as an example. If I were to say I wanted, I don't know, 2,000 subscribers, then I can't just say I want 2,000 subscribers, but then like post once a month, or think that my thumbnails are perfect the way they are and they don't need changing. You know, I think saying is only half the work. So now that I have my brows done, my highlighters popping, I hope you can see it. Let me get a close up. Hold up. I just can't be normal for like 2 seconds. Come on, Amy. And then I just want to take like something shimmery to pop in the inner corner. Okay, and then last but not least, taking my handy dandy lip gloss. This one is in a mango flavor. And I just lather it on. And yeah, that's really it. So yeah, I just did eyebrows, highlighter, lashes, inner corner lip gloss. That's it. Little cute little quick 5 steps. That's it. And now look, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go anywhere. I'm ready to go out the house. I'm ready to show the world I'm a bad, yeah, jazz hands. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, like the video. If you ain't learned nothing and you already knew this, but you found it entertaining, like the video. Thanks so much for all your love and support. Push the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. Don't forget, otherwise you may not ever see me again. Comment down below if you've already started school and how your first day went. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy. I'm Amy. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later.